Having looked at organization of data into a frequency distribution table, let us now look at representation of data. In data representation, there are various methods that are used which enable easy interpretation of data. Some of the methods include use of pictograms, bar graphs, pie charts, line graphs, histograms, and frequency polygons. Pictograms are shapes or symbols to represent frequencies. Pictograms use shapes or symbols to represent frequencies. For example, let a drawing of a complete car represent 1,000 cars. Then 2 complete cars and a half will represent 1,000 plus 1,000 plus 500, which gives us 250 cars. A bar graph. A bar graph uses rectangular bars to represent independent, discrete data. Bar graphs enable data to be compared easily. For example, from the length of the bars, you'll be able to see the highest, the lowest, equal, nil, etc. Example: draw a graph to represent the following data. So we have data on rainfall amount per month in a given year. So from the table, we draw the bar graph by choosing an appropriate scale. The scale must fit all the data given in the table. And when we draw the bar graph, it appears as shown in the diagram. So January we have 10, February we have 10, March 30 millimeters, April we have 20, May 10, June 20, July 40, August 50, September 30, October 20, November 20, and December 10. It's important to note that bar graphs may have spaces or gaps between them, or they may be joined up. Either way, one bar does not depend on the other bar, and that is why they are used to represent discrete data. We can also use multiple bar graphs to compare data by drawing 2 or more bar graphs on the same diagram. An example, given the following set table, number of goals 1, 2, 3, team A can score 1 goal 5 times, 2 goals 2 times, 3 goals 3 times. Team B can score 3 goals, 1 goal 3 times, 2 goals 1 time, and 3 goals 3 times. This can be drawn to show the performance of both teams A and B, so that we have this for team A, this is team B. Team A, this is team B. Team A, this is team B. So from the graphs, we are able to compare the performance of the two teams.